Alaan mo ba to? Ang daming notification, sunod-sunod yung gagawin. Ano ba to?
Welcome to our presentation on Albert Toffler's Future Shock. In this book, Toffler explores how the rapid pace of technological and societal change can overwhelm individuals. Today, we're going to show you how this idea affects students in today's world.
Ay, ang daming notification, di talaga makapag-focus.
Alam mo, ganun talaga yung sinabi ni Popper. Kapag marami na tayong information and communication na kukuha, nahirapan na tayo mag-focus sa mga gagawin natin. Kaya paano ka talaga makapag-focus ngayon kung ang daming motive?
Ano ba yan? Ang daming ginagawa. Hindi na natin ito matapos sa research na to. Eh, paano kasi ang daming minute objective? Kaya hindi makakuha ng information.
Kaya hindi tayo makuha ng information kasi ang dami nating option.
In today's digital age, technology is both a blessing and a curse. While it offers access to vast amounts of knowledge, it can also become a major distraction. Students find themselves trying to balance productivity with constant temptation, and it often leads to a sense of being overwhelmed. The title of your research should be clear, brief, simple, and concise.
Kuya, ang daming lesson. Feeling ko, nahuhuli ako. Dami pa namang deadline, hindi na ako makahabol.
Toffler predicted that as technology advances, people would feel the pressure to constantly adapt and keep up. For students today, that pressure can feel like it's never ending. There's always something new to learn and another platform to master.
Guys, ano yung mga problem na kinakaharap natin ngayon tungkol sa technology?
Sa akin siguro yung kakulangan sa financial. Kasi di ba parang may mga technology ngayon na mga lumalabas. Tas the more na nagiging advanced tayo, parang the more na may mga students na hindi afford yung mga bagay na gusto nilang gawin or bilhin pagdating sa technology. Kaya feeling ko kakulangan talaga sa pera.
Ako siguro signal. Kasi lagi nawawala ng signal sa amin kasi bandang gusto kami.
Ako siguro yung internet. Kasi minsan, di ba kapag nag-online class tayo, kaya kapag gumagawa tayo ng schoolworks, minsan ang bagal ng data ko, hindi kayo pag walang internet.
This constant need to adapt to new tools and system reflects Toffler concept of future shock. Technology and society are evolving so quickly that it can leave people, especially students, feeling anxious and unsure about how to navigate this ever-changing world.
Guys, alam niyo yung na-realize ko sa future shock? Yung mga bata ngayon, mas mabilis sila mag-adapt ng technology, while yung mga matatanda ngayon, parang mas hirap na tuloy mag-adapt sa technology.
Ako naman, sa sobrang bilis ng pagbabago ng technology, napag-iwanan na tayo.
Yung akin naman, mas nakaka-pressure sa bayo na i-adapt yung technology. Sa panahon natin ngayon, ang dami ng mga technology na gusto, kaya ang dami ng information na hindi na natin makikita.
True naman, kapag ang dami na nating information na nakukuha, lalo na kapag may bagong technology, hindi na natin alam kung saan doon yung totoo kasi minsan may mga fake sources tayo nakukuha, tapos minsan baka mamaya yung mga nalalaman nating information, hindi naman pala sila totoo or reliable.
Akin naman sa about sa productivity. Minsan lang dahil sa technology, parang nagiging tamad tayo, no? Kasi parang hindi natin nagagawa yung mga need natin gawin. Halimbawa, nagsiselfon ako ngayon. Tapos may nag-notif sa akin, edi nag-scroll na ako dun. Kaya ayun, parang ginagawa tayong tamad ng technology tapos hindi rin tayo nagiging productive.
In the age of rapid change, students are constantly juggling multiple demands from schoolwork to personal life, all while keeping up with technology. Toffler predictions about the impact of future shock are clearer than ever.
To sum up, future shock helps us understand the challenges of living in a world that always changes. For students, this means dealing with information overload, the pressure to stay ahead of new technologies, and finding ways to manage it all without getting overwhelmed.
While change can be exciting,
It's also important to take time to reflect and adapt at our own pace. Thanks for watching our presentation on how Future Shock applies to today's students.
Thank you!